I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making a direct connection. Put your phone and TV on the same Wi-Fi network or attach an HDMI adapter to the phone if available. Once done, open the phone's quick settings and tap the casting or screen mirror icon. This initiates discovery. You do this because Wi-Fi discovery, or HDMI, provides the video path and audio sync. Make sure the TV's input is set correctly and that any required receiver app is running, so the devices can see each other. Now you select the TV or dongle that appears on your phone, tap its name to start the session. If the TV shows a pairing code or permission prompt, accept it on the screen. This secures the link. You may be offered quality or resolution options. Choose one that balances clarity and network stability. For smoother playback, cast from within streaming apps when possible, because they stream directly to the TV rather than relaying through your phone, reducing battery drain and stuttering. To finish, control playback from your phone and then end casting by tapping stop or switching the TV input. For HDMI, simply unplug the adapter. If audio lags or the image freezes, restart both devices and try the other Wi-Fi band. 5 GHz gives better bandwidth too. 4 GHz has range. Make sure firmware and apps are up to date. Outdated software often breaks discovery. One troubleshooting tip: if the TV never appears, toggle the phone's Wi-Fi and AirPlay mode to reset network services quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.